Okay, boys. I saw Joshua Bartwell. I mean, that's not fair. Maybe some of you are girls. Some of you are girls. So, hey there, ladies. So I saw this deal that was on Joshua Bartwell's channel, how he had the $200 drone. And I couldn't help myself but just go see if I could find something even cheaper. What's going on? Like, what's the cheapest thing you can get? Sometimes there are deals, and right now there are a ton of deals on Aliexpress. So I was showing you, here's the one Joshua Bartwell mentioned. Yeah, you can get that for $200, but right now, don't look away yet. I'm changing the prices to make them American because I know most of you people are from America. $151 for a 6-inch. Then over here we got $108 for a 7-inch, and then the most tempting, the specialist for last, Mark IV, right here, the 4S version and the 6S version. Look at that. You can get the 6S version for $95. That is tempting, man. I literally am struggling not to buy this right now. The only reason I'm not buying this right now is because I don't even have batteries to fly it. But all you people with your big drones and your 6S batteries, like, you want to get a friend into it, buy one for a friend. I'm going to put these links down in the description below. They will be affiliate links, so use them. I've never made money off AliExpress, but this could be the first time. Make sure you smash that like button so that you can not miss another amazing deal like this. I'll share you the best things, even though this doesn't even like fit into my sub 250 category. I just saw it, so I had to share it with you because I love you all. Smoochy smoochy, if you value stuff like this, like look at all the money I saved you, just join my Patreon for $1. Just $1. Okay? Love you. Smoochy smoochy. Subscribe. Smash the like button. Watch my latest videos. Last one take video is pretty fun. And we got a really cool GoPro coming very soon.